Nice one called dudes. I am here in Littlehampton. Where is that? It's here on the map. And today I'm going to undertake a 7.6 mile walk to Bognor Regis. The weather has forecast storm, so I'm a little bit nervous, but luckily I have a special guest today. It is Rowan. Are you looking forward to the walk?
More than anything.
Oh, well, sounds like you've had quite a depressing life then. All right, that's it. Let's get going. Good luck, everyone, especially us. Especially us.
Me.
As we go over the bridge, it's time for the first fact of the day, which is that Littlehampton used to be called Hampton, but it got the little name to distinguish between itself and Southampton, which was bigger. So I don't know why Southampton's not called Bigger Hampton. That would be better, wouldn't it?
Humongous Hampton.
Humongous Hampton. Very good, actually, Rowan. Very good.
Thank you.
There used to be a barge that took people across that river, and it wasn't replaced by a bridge until the 19th century, I think. I didn't read it properly, if I'm honest. Seanormous, or Shawnormous, that is the best name for a house. Seanormous. In the age of the sail, each ship needed 20 miles of rope for rigging alone.
Oh, Marek can't read. It'd be awful if it just snapped.
There's a theme park over there, which looks really cool, but we're off to the right. Shingle multiplies any distance by 4, according to my calculations. We stopped for a coffee, and during that time the forecast changed from one raindrop to a heavy storm. And I think I can see it ahead. It's now started raining. It's that simple, everyone. It almost looks like a tornado. You won't be able to hear this because the mic's in the way. I'll put subtitles. The storm is now hit. The storm is now hit. I repeat, the storm is now hit. I'm sheltering underneath a tree that is slightly too small. I haven't got much to say other than I'm not enjoying myself. Rowan is filming. Are you enjoying yourself? That is my umbrella. It's just stopped raining. That was pretty bad, wasn't it?
We can't lie to you. We're not going to lie on this channel, are we?
Very heavy rain. But look, a rainbow. Worth points on the Spotter's Handbook app.
And a pigeon.
Ah, no, a pigeon's -1. We almost turned back, cool dudes, but literally 10 minutes later, the storm has passed. But I think we've only got about an hour or so before it might come back. This is probably the nicest bit of the walk so far. So we have been discussing our top 3 worst things. Shall I go first?
Yeah, you go first.
Mine are, number 1, property developers, specifically those who build on greenfield sites. Number 2, people who have their phone on speaker on public transport. Should be a death sentence. Number 3, Brussels sprouts. Rowan, please.
Wow, that's okay.
Pretty good.
I'm going with walking related.
Oh.
Helium balloons, just in the streams or dotted around. Hate that. Dog poos in bags just left.
Yeah.
Just take it home. Celery.
Celery on the walk.
Yeah. Anyone just snacking on celery? Just get a good snack.
Oh.
Eat a chocolate bar.
Energy drinks. People who drink energy drinks.
Oh, look.
Oh, great. What is this, please?
I believe it to be a mermaid's purse.
So that's the eggs of a mermaid.
Fact.
Let's go for the lunches. I've got ham, cheese and mustard sandwiches, roysters, T-bone bubble chips, prawn cocktail baked so they're healthy, an apple, strawberry laces, a gummy zone pizza and water. Rowan, please take me through yours.
Cheese and coleslaw sandwich on sourdough. What?
Yeah.
Banana, ready salted crisps, and also been donated the sweet chilli from a certain Miss Larwood.
What's this bull?
Well, there's a gift, but since you don't like a gift horse in the mouth, a little rice cracker covered in chocolate.
Oh yeah, and look at the water, San Pellegrino.
Oh yeah, only the best, baby.
Lunch update, I forgot to include double decker, which Rowan has never tried. Verdict on the very first time we tried double decker.
Truthfully, the top bit, lovely. This biscuity base, not so keen on, but I will carry on. Thanks, Marek.
She is wrong, they're delicious. Whilst we were having lunch, Rowan remembered her original question of the day. So there'll be a bonus second question now. Rowan, please tell people the question.
All right, so if you were locked in a superstore overnight, which one would you choose? For example, my shortlist would be Marks and Spencer's, because you get the food hall and try out their beds with all their duvet covers and slips and stuff.
Yeah.
Or might go John Lewis, just because, peruse. And I'd possibly pop IKEA in there.
Oh, really?
Yeah, but I'd be worried about the lack of food.
You have to choose one, though.
Yeah, okay, I'm going with Marks and Spencer's, please.
All right. I mean, most people will go Harrods, but I've taken Harrods, so none of you can have it. So you have to put your answer below. Nice one. The weather is looking very ominous, cool dudes. This is the view. Thank God for my Nan's umbrella. What are the best walking umbrellas, cool dudes? Please write below. I need the information. This walk is a real test of our waterproof gear. 2 and a bit miles left. Enjoying having most of the umbrella?
Yes, I'm enjoying most of the umbrella. Also, are you appreciating the fact we've still both got our sunglasses on?
It might look stupid having sunglasses on, but it is the best rain visor. So if you write stupid comments below, then you can get lost. And this is sunglasses Marek talking. If you need toilet facilities on this walk, there aren't any until Felpsham, which is about 5 miles in, so from Littlehampton, right?
Right, but when you get there, it's worth the wait, everyone.
There's also a cafe called the Boathouse here. decided not to explore the pier because it looked like
A dive.
So we're going back to the station now. Nice one. I'm sure many of you want to know how Bognor Regis got its name. Well, originally it was called Bognor, but in the 1920s, King Charles V came here to recuperate after an illness, and a request was put in to add the Regis, which means of the king. So that's why it's called Bognor Regis. That is a very good fact. Well done, Marek. This is where they filmed Friends. Nice one, cool dudes. We have arrived at Bognor Regis station. The walk is complete. How long was it, you ask? 8.09 miles, 4.5 hours. How many rounds would you give the walk?
How many is it out of?
5.
Well, my feet are 11 out of 10 wet, and the walk itself pleasant. Probably.
Just excuse the psychopath in the background.
But probably only 3.5, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I was on 3.5 and now it's gone down to 3. That is it. That is it for the walk. If you would like to join the club, why not go to YouTube and then you can subscribe for just 99p, and then you get to use these emojis, watch all these videos and get entered into the prize draw. Oh, that sounds like such a good thing to do. Have you done it yet?
Yeah.
She hasn't. All right, one more thing. Here we go. Stay cool.
Stay cool.
Oh my, what a beautiful picture. I wish I could have it to put in my fridge. An original watercolour framed painting for just £15.50 currently on eBay. It's worth at least £16.50. So please bid for that, cool dudes. Okay, well this is the first video back of 2023. I just want to say a massive thank you to everyone who has joined the club and or bought things from me on eBay or bought merch like my book or key rings. It has been an incredible help. It is only your generosity that allows me to try and do this for a living. A couple of people said they don't want to sign up to YouTube, but they would like to donate, and you can now do that through a Ko-fi page which I've set up, or just through PayPal. Marek Larwood, here's the link here, and I'm going to be using those two to also fund a series of comedy films that I hope to make on my other Marek Larwood channel. Alright, let's just stop this uncomfortable bit. I'm going to be sick in a minute. You may remember my friend Graham, who came on the walk to Quar Abbey. Well, he was banging on constantly about there being a competition for the best picture because of keyrings, as he wanted to win it. So I have made a bronze, silver and gold keyrings which will be sent out to the top 3. There is no real top people. Thank you very much to everyone who sent in a keyring. But I've decided to award 3rd place to Becky M for these very funny pictures you sent in. I mean, the pumpkin one is absolutely incredible. In 2nd place is Cool Dude 247, Graham, who's basically forced me to do this competition. Well done, Graham. You sent in some good pictures. But I have to give the gold award and a special mention to Alison G, whose keyring contributions over the past year have been nothing short of miraculous and made me laugh out loud, and probably you, several times. So the golden Marek will be on its way to you. Right, cool dudes. Currently there are 457 cool dudes helping me out, and you can win the strawberry laces, the card from Stripey Art, the keyring from Cal's Laser, the vinyl stickers, all the badges, Pooh Man cards, this cool Ghost Hunter pin, and a Marek in a bronze shirt. A dream come true. Random number generator, generate me a number. generate 311. The 311th longest serving cool dude at 8 months is Liz P. Liz, please email me at cooldudeswalkingclub@gmail.com and I will send this stuff to you. Thanks a lot, everyone. There's going to be a new series. I'm going to try out walking series of Isle of Wight made up myths soon. That is a treat for watching this long. Oh yeah, one more thing. Stay cool.